It is a very strong controversial issue. And the person on the title seems to be not at line with Abdul Malik. When Abdul Malik wrote to the district, introducing himself as the proprietor, he attached that title. We wrote back to him and told him he introduced himself as the owner of land which doesn't recognize him as the proprietor. That is when Hairura Hakim came into play. When the court order came, it ordered Hairura Hakim not Drakofa Abdul Malik. And now where we went astray all of us was that the court ordered for boundary opening to establish which land is in context now. But this time round they welcomed it. It went on. After the boundary opening exercise, that is when problems began. We started hearing of selling. We started seeing some new faces from Kampala coming into the land. We started seeing several people from elsewhere coming to occupy the land to evict these locals, which as a district we did support. We started people, they started arresting these locals. As they arrested for us, we would make sure we plead with them so that they are out of prison. However, we were waiting for such an opportunity. Honorable Minister, like you see around, some of these residents have been here from as early as 1960s. Just a few months back, I have attended over 6 burials in this area. They have graveyards here. Some of them don't know any other home other than this. These elders, these old women have nowhere to go if they are evicted. One thing I'm requesting, Honorable Minister, is your guidance. Because me nowadays I don't trust the courts of Uganda. Someone says he was given land by court, but is not on a title. The original proprietor from who the subdivision was done says that the decree and the judgment were not honest. She's also here with us. We have all those documents. But all in all, Honorable Minister, what we are requesting is the gospel that you always spread. That no eviction of Bibanja holders, because these people have nowhere to go. As a district, we had just walked on that road. A lot of government money was put here. Now if we evict these people, only a few people will benefit from the road, not the locals. Put government resources at rest. Honorable Minister, we request that these people be reinstated back on this land for them to settle peacefully. Taken on by court. That is even why the chairperson LC1 is not here. We request that those cases be dropped. I want to thank this junction.
The last time we had a very big gathering like this one was on April 29th. When there was an order of court, which was cleared through all the stages, as you may know. And it was that Hairora should open the boundaries. We came and took a lot of time educating these people that it was beautiful to open the boundaries, and they embraced that. All of them 100% embraced that. And they in fact went ahead to work with the ones who were opening the boundaries. We left that, and when we were going to open the boundaries, I remember we told Hairora and Hakim Drakofa, Drakofa and Hairora, that we did not expect any eviction in this place. What we only allowed, and all the security of the district was here. All the DSO to do these things together. Even the councillors were affected. We even adopted other councillors from other sub-counties who were well versed with this area. And we said, after opening of the boundaries, we don't expect any eviction. There was a committee which was set up locally here. That was the LC1s, I think the LC2, LC3 level. They made a committee. And they wanted to work with the purported owner of the area that had been opened. After the opening of the boundaries, hell broke loose. That's when we started hearing other voices. But of course, before that, we had even talked to Honorable Bibanja. Probably she would be telling us Drakofa doesn't have land. But of course, for us, we followed that order and ensured the boundaries were open. And another one called Panga. Is it Panga? They were petitioning us. We never met with them. We never met with them. They instead chose to go to State House. When they reached State House, I think there were some meetings that took place there. And at some point, State House called us. But we asked them, we have never seen these people. Can you send them back to us? Up to now, we have never seen them in our office. Later on, there was burning of houses. Now the locals started fighting each other. That's when the arrests came in. Because I think there was a group of people led by one, I don't want to miss words, one Chomondo and another one called Panga. They came and led a gang of boys here. And they ran people's houses. Intelligence. the people who do intelligence. Okay? The people who do intelligence. The listen. The people who do intelligence, told us hatuhana panga the ones who led to the burning of the houses. But now, if the locals are saying it is not true, then the intelligence was wrong. Because personally, we didn't come here to do the investigations. Now let us say the locals were fighting themselves, but we don't know who led to the burning of the houses. Okay, now, after the burning of the houses, that's when the arrests came in. Those people were released. They were the wrong people to be arrested. But what we are saying, Honorable Minister, if there are two warring factions, that is Bwakofa. By the way, we don't talk about Bwakofa, we should be talking about Hairora. Because Hairora is the one who is on the title. If these people, Hairora and Beatrice Biencha, can they sit down and solve the problem of this land? Because we don't want to be caught in the fire. What we have had here is enough. You have seen the people are already saying what I have told them is not right. All these problems of this land here can best be solved by the two. But what we cannot allow, Honorable Minister, where we are coming from, you know, we cannot allow an eviction to take place here. We are not going to allow any eviction because these people have been here for long. Yes. So I think they may not be ready to listen.
Hello.
Team ya Budumalik.
Team pa Honorable Yinka Beatrice.
Team pa ya Biencha.
DPC.
Na timu yawe.
Security zone.
Na security oban yon.
Wataka parami bombo zone.
Na baya atakabona ba bombo sa
zone. Ate open bino.
Abasimile muno kuinja hano.
Minister.